everyone. Introduce me Irfan. I am a student from Sanggabuana YPKP University Bandung, and in this video, I will review an international journal of environmental and public health research with the title An Intuitionistic Multiplicative Oreste Method for Patients Prioritization of Hospitalization. Okay, let's get started. Author contribution. The research was designed and performed by Cheng Jiang, Xin-Li Wu, and Huchang Liao. The data was collected and analyzed by Cheng Jiang and Xin-Li Wu. The paper was written by Cheng Jiang, Xin-Li Wu, Di Wu, and Huchang Liao, and finally checked and revised by Li Luo and Enrique Herrera Piedma. All authors read and approved the final manuscript. 1. Business School, Sichuan University, China. 2. Department of Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence, University of Granada, Spain. And 3. Faculty of Computing and Information Technology, King Abdul Aziz University, Saudi Arabia. Okay, introduction. Based on the information in the journal, that the world rapid population growth, limited medical resources make it difficult to meet people's need for health care. So most countries are facing the problem of how to allocate medical resources rationally and effectively so that patients can be treated on time. The priority of hospitalized patients can be considered as a multiple criteria decision-making or MCDM problem, which consists of evaluating the patient performance, determining the weight of the evaluation criteria, combining the evaluation values with respect to the weight of the criteria, and then determining the patient's order. Due to the complexity of objectives, it is usually difficult to evaluate the utility value of an alternative criteria directly. However, providing a paired alternative preference relationship criteria is easy to implement. To solve problems regarding the medical diagnosis of patients with emphysema, research tried to use the multiple criteria decision-making or MCDM method. However, this method has several drawbacks. The relationship between neglected criteria in exciting in MCDM method and highly related criteria may mislead the result. Uncertainty in the opinion of experts about the importance of criteria is translated into fuzzy criteria weight with several weighting techniques, such as the probability degree-based weighting method. Okay, next, method Oreste or Oreste method. To address the issue or priority of patients for hospitalization, researchers used the Oreste method. Oreste is a general rating for dealing with MCDM problem with qualitative information. It first ranked the weak alternative by combining the weight of the criteria and the performance of the alternative expressed as an order. Then, the preference, indifference, and incommensurability or peer relationship between paired alternatives were distinguished by conflict analysis. Finally, strong rating can be obtained to cripple the relationship between alternatives compared to other decision-making methods, such as the Promet, Topsys, and Picor method. Algorithm, the Oreste method. Step 1. Calculate the global preference score alternative IE under criterion Z Bay equation. Step 2. Aggregate the global weak ranking of each alternative by equation. Step 3. Determine the peer relation between alternatives after the conflict analysis. And step 4. Determine the strong ranking by the weak ranking and the peer structure. Okay, next. Case study pattern prioritization of admission. In this section, a case concerning the pattern prioritization of admission is present to illustrate the application of the Oreste method. Case description. HX is a large-scale hospital in Chengdu, China. According to statistics every month, there are about 6,000 patients waiting for beds for hospitalization in HX hospital. The average waiting time of each patient is about 2 to 3 months, and some patients may even have to wait half a year to be hospitalized. There are some serious patients among them who are in urgent need of hospitalization. HX Hospital has about 200,000 hospitalized patients every year. However, over 30% of them do not need to be hospitalized in HX Hospital. To solve this problem, in December 2011, HX Hospital set up the Admission Service Center to optimize the hospitalization process and promote the effective management of medical resources. Almost all beds are assigned by this center to help patients have a convenient and quick admission. It can assist the hospital to manage the beds efficiently so as to let the patient with serious illness be hospitalized quickly. Next, however, many patients go to HX hospital no matter if they have a serious disease or not. The staff in ISG have to evaluate each patient to determine the severity of the illness and the priority. On this basis, the sequence of patient admission can be derived by ISG. In ISG, the evaluation indicator of patient prioritization are summarized as C1, the emergency degree of disease; C2, the severity of disease; C3, the type of medical insurance and its place of belongs; C4, the scientific research value of disease; C5, the waiting time; C6, the priority for special disease; C7, PIP or very important person. Next, solving the case by the Oreste method. Step 1. The relevant evaluation information is given in section 4.1. Step 2. Aggregate the preference value A, J, I, K. K is equal to 1, 2, and M into the IMN A, J, I by equation. Then addition matrix D is equal to A, J, I, M, X, N can be derived. Step 3. Calculate the Pearson correlation coefficient CGT by equation, and then derive the objective weight of criteria according to equation. Then we obtain W01 is equal to 0,1261 and W02 is equal to 0,13 to 1, and W03 is equal to 0,1418, and W04 is equal to 0,1474, and W05 is equal to 0,1727, and W06 is equal to 0,1239, and W07 is equal to 0,1560. Additionally, the score value SAZE of ZE can be calculated by equation and shown in table 5. Next, step 4. Calculate the global score GSEZ by equation, and the results are given in the table 6. Step 5. The utility value of patient are calculated as U1 is equal to 0,3013, and U2 is equal to 0,3860, and U3 is equal to 0,3581, and U4 is equal to 0,3541. Thus, we obtain A1 bigger A4, bigger A3, and A3 bigger A2. Step 6. Calculate PIZ, AE, EK, PI, AE, AK, and PI, AE, EK from equation. The result are shown in the table 7 and 8. Comparative analysis and discussion. In this section, detailed comparative analysis between the Eurostem method and the existing MCDM method is present to illustrate the effectiveness and superiority of our proposed method, considering that the crisp weight of criteria are the basis of most MCDM methods. We translate the subjective weight evaluated by DMS to crisp weight by, then we apply equation to integrate the crisp subjective weight and the objective weight calculated from equation of each criterion into a collective on. By equation, we obtain W1 is equal to 0,3108, and W2 is equal to 0,3092, and W3 is equal to 0,1338, and W4 is equal to 0,1258, and W5 is equal to 0,0567, and W6 is equal to 0,0426, and W7 is equal to 0,021, and we respectively apply the Topsis method, Picor method, and Promet method to solve this problem, and the calculation results are shown in table 9. As we know, both them Topsis method and them Picor method are based on the overall utility value of alternative. Neither them Topsis method nor the Picor method can derive the p-relation among the alternative. The Topsis method fails to accurately describe the indifference relation between the patients. A3 and A4, although there is the little difference between the relative coefficient value of them. For the Reste method, it can overcome the defect discussed above. In other words, it is more reasonable than the Topsis method, the Picor method, and the Promet method in practice. Specifically, the Reste method has the following advantage. Both the objective and subjective weight of criteria are considered in the Reste method. In addition, the correlation coefficient-based weight determining method can avoid the effect of correlated criteria on the final result. The phi relation are derived from the IMPR of the alternative but not from the outranking flow. The preference, indifference, and incomparability relation among the alternatives are determined rationally based on the scientific calculation process. Okay, that's all, and thank you. Sorry if there are many mistakes, and goodbye.